Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you are looking for vintage glamour in a modern coat, check out this beautiful winter coat from Papillion. This coat is a wool blend. The fabric on it is so super soft. It's fully lined and it has a faux collar that is detachable. Although this coat is not for the most blustery days that you would have, it is definitely going to be such a game changer when it comes to looking like vintage glam. It's nice and warm for cool days, and I love that I can detach that collar, making it comfortable to wear even if I need to keep my coat on inside. The coat has such a beautiful vintage feel. I actually met a friend yesterday and she asked me if it was vintage, which really impressed me. The coat is this beautiful camel beige color. I love how light and luxurious it is, and it goes with any type of hat scarf combo that you would like to wear. The length on it is about to the shin, and I'm 5'4", and I got a medium, which is a true fit for my frame. The coat has that detachable belt, the belt keeps nice and secure, and it fully buttons. I love how beautiful and glamorous and vintage looking that this coat is, and if you're looking for a really beautiful warm coat to last you for your shopping days and in and out of the car time, check this one out. You will not be disappointed. And that's my point of view.